I request Dr. Aslam Abbasab to say a few words, please.
A very good afternoon to all of you. I thank Mr. Zahiruddin Sahab to invite me on this dais, and I'm really thankful to Sardar Sahab to be here in Telangana, which has become, I think it's a mark that is set down for Hapkido to start in Telangana after Sardar Sahab's presence here in Telangana. I think my children were the first one, they are the first one to learn Hapkido through Zahir Sahab, and what I felt was that my children are black belt, and but still the skill and the amount of power that's required is only through Hapkido. A person, a small girl, can overcome even a giant through Hapkido technique. Maybe they may not overcome it through other martial art, but it's a very simple technique where you don't require any strength, muscles, or you don't have to be a 6-feeter to fight someone. You can protect yourself only through skill and sense that the Hapkido gives you. So I think Hapkido is an excellent technique which needs to be promoted in today's era. Seeing the amount of crime that's going on towards females, that technique is an excellent thing that is supposed to be learned by everyone. Thank you so much.